What do you see? You see lizards, huh? Yeah, you saw a lizard. It's lizard time. Oh my goodness. You dip back over here. Bruno, it's over here. Yeah, it's over here. Yeah, you get up there and find that lizard. Yeah, you get that lizard. Doug got it. Oh, you got pee on that lizard. Ash Fork, Arizona. Spice Bar and Grill. Corral Market gas station, Shell. 19 gas station. The old Mobile gas station. The owner come up and he posted the property. Good. Keep the trash out. Copper State Motel. He only rents to full-timers now. That's right, you got pee on everything. There you go. You guys have a good day. I like to bring the dogs over here because there's been a lot of dogs over here and the dogs don't take too long thinking about where they're gonna pee or piddle. You guys have a good one.